Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. I'd like to start my video for year 2021 with a big wishes to everyone. Okay, Happy New Year 2021. And I would like to personally wish you and your family a new year blessed with good health, good fortune, and lots of joy. Okay, don't forget to stay tuned to my video. Thank you. Hello, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. So today is another stock session. Okay, a stock video. Okay, these videos generally I did all this video is for sharing, for entertainment purpose. Okay, there's no means any of the video okay are investment advice. I'm not professional advisor, I'm not a professional trader, I'm just a retail trader. Okay, I share all this video is for entertainment purpose, just telling you my story in trading the stock market in KLSE. Okay, so I read this stock, right? Very interesting, not stock, very interesting news in the edge market. Okay, very interesting news indeed. The title of the news is the 11 stocks experts say you should own in 2021. Happy New Year 2021. Okay, so generally they are recommending, I'm not sure, should I say they are recommending, okay, they mention about all these stock, these 11 stock, okay, that is have potential, okay. The link to the site, right, is this one. Maybe I'll post this in into the comment section below by remark section, right, on below my video. Okay, so you guys can read on this article. Okay, quite long for me to talk about 11 stock will be quite long, so I'll choose 4 stock to talk about, okay, in my video. Okay, so the next video coming maybe in 1 to 2 days, I will continue to talk about another 4. So I break down into a few video. I still like to see the chart, okay, what the chart is telling us on this all this stock. Okay, we know it's good to buy, but when to buy, right? It's good to buy, but when to buy? I want to see when to buy for me, right? For myself, when should I buy? Okay, and how is the current price doing? Where are the price doing? Okay, what are the history? Okay, and what are the sentiment? As I said, okay, I use the chart to see the history, okay, the sentiment, okay, and the forecast, okay, where the price may go. Okay, so these are the first thing, a few things that I want to see. So so let's see what are the, here actually I put in into my notes. Okay, they mentioned IHH Healthcare, Genting Malaysia, TNB, Harta, British American Tobacco, Magnum, Gamuda, Sunway, Malaysia Airports, MyEG, and MegaFirst. Okay, let's dive into the chart. First, we want to look at IHH. IHH, actually the chart is not very well developed. Okay, it's still quite a low volume kind of stock. Okay, you can see the candlestick are not very well formed. Okay, but generally, okay, the stock has been on a downtrend since 2016. Okay, so the downtrend still continue. Okay, this is a trend line, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So this is the downtrend trend line. Okay, so in order to buy this stock for me, right, you need to break at least, okay, break some trend line. So there's another trend line here, okay, another downtrend trend line. So at least you need to break the trend line, okay, break some trend line for me to see whether there is buying momentum. Okay, so this one actually it broke out from this trend line, okay, it broke out from this downtrend trend line at 5 ringgit 80 cent. Oh, sorry, not here. 5 ringgit 76 cent, okay. But this is just a short-term trend line. For me, I would prefer for it. You see, now it's actually something like consolidating in the box. Okay, so the price has not broken this, right? One attempt, two attempt, three attempt, four attempt. Okay, so one, two, three, four attempts. So price cannot break this. Okay, this area after four attempts. So this is a big resistance. So I want to see the price to actually break this, clear this resistance 5.915, okay, and break this downtrend trend line. Only once the price go up here, only I will consider to buy, okay, because now it's still in a downtrend. So I don't buy the stock which is on the downtrend, which is still in the, okay, below a downtrend trend line, right? So this is a downtrend trend line. So the price is still below a downtrend trend line. So this is, for me, is still not a very good place to buy yet. Okay, once you cross here, okay, this is a very good. Once you cross here, indication that this is a bullish stock. Okay, so I will buy once it turn bullish. Okay, now it can still be down here because the article say it's 2021, right? So it could, this is a long term stock, right? So we don't expect it straight away. After article come out, it will fly up. So it might take some time before it might still go down before it goes up. Okay, once we go up to here 5.9, then I will look for a buy. Okay. Okay, for Genting Malaysia, right? We have to look at the price here. From is forming a triangle, right? But the price already went up quite a lot. Okay, after the recovery, right? After the announce of the vaccine. Okay, so let's see how far it has gone. Okay, already 46%, right? Already 46% from the bottom. So now it had short term, right? It is still bullish, right? Because it broke this one. This is the short term resistance line. Okay, it broke out. So short term, the price could still move up until here. Okay, here. So there is a long term resistance line here. This one. Okay, which it needs to break. Okay, this one, this line, it needs to break this one to show long term momentum up. Okay, to show long term momentum up, you need to break this one. Okay, for short term, if you're holding the stock, so very likely, okay, if I'm holding the stock, right, so I'm very likely I will look for the price to come to here, okay, and possibly I will take some profit, okay, over here, because there's a resistance. Okay, this area, right, has been a strong resistance last time. Okay, so the price actually zigzag around here, right? So this strong resistance area, if the price can break this area, then it will be a long-term uptrend. Okay, so if the price cannot break, maybe it might come down again before it goes up. Okay, around here, this is the area, okay, that it might be facing some resistance. Okay, for long term, of course, as recommended by the article, okay, Genting is already on a uptrend. Okay, already on a rebound. Okay, Genting is already on a rebound. Since here the price already start to rebound. Okay, so there's a good opportunity to buy last time, right? Somewhere here is the best opportunity to buy. Okay, if I want to buy again, if after I read the article I want to buy again, so possibility, okay, I can buy here, but if I buy here, there's a possibility price will come down first before it goes up. Okay, or I would wait for the price to break here, break this trend line, only I will buy for a long term. Okay, so this one uh, I will have to think twice, okay, where to go in. Okay, if I really go in here, it's fantastic. If I haven't go in, maybe here is in the middle, it's quite difficult. Maybe I want to wait for something like a retracement. Okay, then only where it has more margin to work, more margin to go before I want to buy. Okay, if I buy here, it's very near to the resistance, so I need to think twice about this. Okay, because it's very near. If it drop a bit, then if we have a retracement here, let's say the price drop here, right, then it will be a good opportunity to buy, okay, up to the 3 ringgit area. Okay, a drop here, then we'll be fine to a 3 ringgit area. Okay, if the price shoot up from here, okay, if the price shoot up from here, I will wait for it to break this one, only I will buy. Okay, because the price could still come down. Okay, because this resistance, it still come down, then only go up. Okay, so that is for Genting Malaysia. TNB. Okay, TNB also generally is on a downtrend. Okay, the price is going down. So we got a downtrend trend line here, a downtrend trend line, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So the price is still coming down. So for me, right, for me to buy, right, I would want to see the price actually let's bring out my tool. Okay, I want to see the price to at least break here. Okay, break out from here, only I will issue a buy. Okay, because no point, because price can still go down somewhere until it breaks. Okay, until it breaks this one. Okay, until it breaks this trend line, then I will consider a buy, putting in a buy buy the stock. Okay, so what is the price tag I'm looking at for it to buy? Most likely is here. Okay, 11.38. Okay, if it can break above this 11.38, okay, most likely it can break somewhere around here. Okay, then I would initiate a buy for TNB. Okay, for now there's no point because price is still going downwards. Okay, it might still go downwards some more before it turn up, because the article says it's 2021, right? So it's whole year. And the next one, Harta glove stock, right? Okay, glove stock, Harta is still on a strong downtrend. Okay, quite a steep downtrend. So this is not the time to buy. In order to initiate buy, you want to see a break of this. Okay, this resistance trend line. Okay, once the price it can break up, then possible there is a possibility to buy. So if I want to look at the vertical trend line, so this would be the vertical trend line for it to break before I would initiate a buy, because there's no point to buy here because price can still go down, okay, and go up. Okay, the best is look at the line, this line. Okay, if the price can actually rebound from here, then we are looking at this. Okay, if the price will rebound from here, then we are looking for at this 13.37. Okay, a break of 13.37 is a possibility to buy. If the price will break this resistance trend line, it come down some more. Okay, and it break out. And it break out. Okay, it consolidated here and it breaks back up, breaks its trend line, and then if it breaks above this 11.59, this trend line, right? So I would consider to buy. Okay, but glove, right? Have to be careful, because glove now is very negative. Okay, the sentiment on glove is very negative. So this one could even go down lower to the next year, this year, sorry, until it goes up. Okay, possibility of rebound. There is still possibility to rebound because gloves are the company that are making a lot of money, okay, a lot of profit. But because all this price, right, has been overpriced for so long, you see this company, right, before COVID, right, this company is priced at 5 ringgit, right, so around 5 ringgit, okay, around 5 ringgit, 2019, okay, 4 to 7 ringgit, right, 2019, around 4 to 7 ringgit, and now it goes up to 2021, okay, so it's 3 times the price, okay, so there's a lot of adjustment, okay, to the price, a lot of buyers they look at the price, it could be too high over here, so the price actually is slowly being adjusted to the proper price. That's how I see it, right? So now it's still on the downtrend, okay, so if we follow the article, right, to buy this, for me, I would like to see the break of this trend line, okay, this trend line, take out your chart and draw a trend line over here, okay, then there will be a opportunity to buy. But after buy, there's another, after if we buy here, right, you see glove, there's a lot of resistance. If we buy here, you see there's a resistance, a broken trend line here, and the cross of this downtrend trend line, right? So here will be a lot of resistance, a momentum selling. So if I buy here also, most likely this area, 16 ringgit area, there will be a lot of resistance here, a lot of selling pressure, okay, a lot of selling pressure over here. So be careful at the 16, okay, 16 ringgit area. Maybe you want to take some, maybe I will want to take some profit out of when it reach here. So the next one is how many? 1, 2, 3. British American tobacco. British American. This is nice. Okay, let me see whether we can draw any trend line here. Okay. Okay, so there is a resistance, a strong resistance over here. Okay, but the price actually, if you look at the short-term trend line, right? Shorter-term trend line. Okay, the price already consolidated in a triangle here. Okay, and already broke out from a triangle. Okay, now, okay, is in a wedge pattern. Okay, now in a wedge pattern. Okay, so this is a short-term bullish. Okay, but for it to be long-term bullish, it need to break this one, 2240. Okay, this downtrend, this long-term downtrend trend line, it need to break this one. Okay, means it's long-term bullish. Now it's short-term bullish. Okay, but nonetheless, the price is quite bullish. This is different from the previous previous three we talked about, which is still bearish, but this one is short-term. It's already turned bullish. Okay, the price already turned up to be a bullish, but okay, the short-term one will be 13 to 22. So this is the short-term resistance. This is the area that we need to be careful. Okay, this is the area because it's the here you see the resistance. Okay, previous resistance over here, and also the resistance from the previous long-term downtrend trend line. Okay, so this is the resistance. Okay, if it breaks up here, then there is possibility to go up some more. Okay, but this one for now, I would buy, okay, this one, even for now, I would possibly buy the stock. Looks good. Okay, so now it's consolidating, okay, in a triangle pattern. Okay, if the price actually can break up from here, okay, I will consider a buy, okay, break up from this, okay, from this. Okay, 12.89, okay, 12.89. Okay, the price can actually come up and break up from here, means a strong buying momentum, at least towards this area. Okay, this area is this line is the where all the resistance, okay, a lot of selling pressure. Okay, this one looks good. Okay, the other three have to wait. This one looks good to buy, and the RSI also is above. Okay, it's already above 50. Okay, already broke above 50. Okay, it's here. Okay, since November. So November, this stock already bullish. So this is the first wave, probably another second wave, and the third wave will reach here before it being so sell down. This is just my guess. Okay, so finish the four stock. The next video I will do another four. And before we end this session, I'm going to talk about the steel, right? The steel that we talked about previously. The steel stock. LS and Heptech. Heptech actually, the momentum, right? The loss of momentum here doesn't look very good. Okay, price tried to break this, okay, this flat pattern, but it couldn't break, so the price might come down here again, then only go up. So this one I already close the trade. Okay, Heptech I already close the trade because this one the momentum already lost. Okay, it cannot break out from the flat pattern, so I already close the trade. The other one is LS. Okay, LS already reached the first target, right? This one, the 8.4. Okay, after I see the 8.4, I see the selling pressure. This one I already close. Okay, I already close the trade. I already sell after I bought it somewhere around here. Okay, wait for bid retracement. Okay, somewhere around here, 7.3. Okay, then I saw the price went up, but then it cannot break. You see a lot of selling pressure come here. Okay, when the price coming down that time, I already sold this one, already sold the stock. Okay, so now the price really come down. It doesn't look good because why it doesn't look good? Because this is look like a double top. Okay, a double top. A double top is a bearish signal. Okay, it haven't developed the double top, but it's forming the double top nonetheless. Okay, so I have already closed the trade. Okay, after I see here, I see this one going down, so I sell. Okay, quickly sell. Okay, so these are my video for this week. So thank you for watching. Remember to share. Like my video. Also remember to like my video. Also comment if you have any thing to comment. If you have any question on my video. So remember to subscribe, right? Subscribe and hit the bell so when I publish my video, so you can get a notification on your YouTube. Okay, and remember to stay safe from COVID. And bye bye.